Ikea is starting to distribute a new wireless charging puck with a built-in battery. The discovery of this Nordmärke branded portable charger came from a reader of German tech news outlet Moby Flipia and Gadget, who purchased the product from an Ikea in Cologne for €19.99 $22.57. We couldn't find any references to the new charger on Ikea's website. However, The Verge was able to locate the company's filing with the FCC, where the product is listed with ID FHOE2108. The wireless charger carries the same label as Ikea's other Qi-enabled wireless charging pads, which come in various circular and rectangular plastic bodies, finished with materials such as cork and fabric. The new charger is also outfitted in gray fabric but comes in a square shape and enough height to accommodate the bottom of the charger mentions that the Li-ion battery's capacity is 24 watt-hours, 6,500 milliamp-hours, and uses a common 18,650 cell. Based on the internal images, the charger contains two heavily adhered and soldered 18,650 cells, rendering the batteries hardly user-replaceable. Ikea's new charger, much like the company's other wireless chargers, operates at a sleepy 5W rate. According to the FCC-filed manual for this Nordmärke charger, the device needs a 10W USB-C power supply, but you'll have to bring your own charging source and cable. Expect to start seeing these rolled out in Ikea stores in the near future.